Right, let's do these one at a time, properly. And we start with the one everybody uses, and almost nobody uses well. Sum. 5 little examples, 3 minutes, and you'll never type a plus sign again. Sum adds numbers together. That's it. That's the whole job. Equals sum, open bracket, then whatever you want added. It ignores text, it doesn't mind empty cells, and, this is the good bit, if you insert a row inside the range, it counts that too. Your total just keeps up. Here's the everyday one. Shopping list, prices in column B, equals sum B2 colon B6. That colon means through, B2 through B6, everything in between. 280. And if I add another item inside that range, the total sorts itself out. But say you don't want all of them. You can name the ones you do want, separated by commas. Equals sum B2, B4, B6. Just those 3. 130. Handy when your numbers are scattered around and there's no tidy block to grab. And you can mix a range plus a single cell plus a number you just type in. Equals sum B2 colon B6, comma, 50. 330. Though, honestly, put that 50 in a cell. Numbers buried inside formulas are the ones you forget about in 6 months. Now, the lazy way, which is also the correct way. Stand in the cell just under your numbers and press Alt and equals. Excel writes the whole formula for you and guesses the range. Or click AutoSum on the Home tab. Same thing. Just glance at what it guessed before you hit Enter. It's usually right, not always. Got a table? Write it once at the bottom of January. Then grab that little square in the corner of the cell and drag it sideways. February fills itself in. The column letter shifts, the row numbers stay put. One formula, the whole table done. And this one feels like a magic trick. Same cell, 3 different tabs. Equals sum, Jan, colon, Mar, exclamation mark, B2. It adds B2 from every sheet between January and March. Click the first tab, hold Shift, click the last. Excel writes that bit for you. Drop a new sheet in the middle, and it joins in automatically. 3 things that quietly break it. 1. Numbers stored as text. If they're hugging the left side of the cell with a little green corner, sum is skipping them. 2. Typing equals B2 plus B3 plus B4. Insert a row in the middle and your formula walks straight past it. And 3. Hidden or filtered rows. Sum still counts what you can't see. Use subtotal for that. So, everything in one place. A range, picked cells, a range plus a number, the whole column, across sheets, and Alt equals for the shortcut. Screenshot that. And that's sum, sorted. Next one's average. Same format, 5 examples, quick. Tell me in the comments which function you want after that, because I'll do them in whatever order you shout. Save this and follow AR all tips.